Tired of straining your eyes or being limited by small spaces? Unlock your biggest, brightest, creative ideas with the Luxjoyful A1 light board. This isn't just any light pad, it's a massive A1 size, giving you ample space for large drawings, complex patterns, or full diamond painting canvases. Work comfortably without constantly repositioning your project. Choose from 3 color temperatures: cool, neutral, or warm, to match your project or mood. Easily adjust the brightness with stepless dimming or 6 fixed levels. Protect your eyes while bringing details to life. Cut the cord. The built-in rechargeable battery gives you freedom to create wherever inspiration strikes. Work at your desk, on the couch, or even outdoors. Whether you're tracing, sketching, doing diamond art, or weeding vinyl, this ultra-thin board is your new best friend. It's designed to support a wide range of artistic pursuits. Ready to illuminate your creative process? Find the Luxjoyful A1 Extra Large Light Board on Amazon through the link in the description and transform how you see and create your art today.